location of islands. You have Cherry Woods by Miras here. Miras is a government developer that has done places like Blue Waters Islands. Okay, so next to Cherry Woods, you have Damak Islands, and below Cherry Woods, you have Mira and Mira Oasis by Emaar, and then here you have Nashama Town Square. Okay, so this area is already kind of booming. You already have existing communities in this location. And next to this, you have Arabian Ranches 2, you have Sustainable City, you have now Latilia by Dubai Properties coming up, Villanova. So you have many communities already on this belt. So if you look at the Sheikh Hamdan Road, also you have Global Village here. Then you have multiple communities that are already being developed by other developers. Including Emaar, including Aldar, including Miras. Price per square feet, if you look at, other than islands right now, between 1400 to 2000 dirham per square feet is your average price per square feet for a townhouse. Okay. But if you're looking to buy in islands, currently a townhouse, even in the new launch, your price per square feet will only be 1100 dirham. Okay, so you're already around 300 to 700 dirham per square feet cheaper. So yeah, correct. Yeah. So if you're thinking from a point of view of an investment and you want to just start off with an investment in Dubai, this is the best place to buy. Okay, even though we've not really announced the official date of the launch of islands, we've collected around 1,000 tokens already for the phases that are coming. Okay, we were the only developer to sell out 3.5 clusters in 4 hours. So that was around 4,500 units.
10 billion stock.
10 billion dirham worth of inventory sold in islands. Okay, so the typology that we have here, you have 4 beds, you have 5 beds, and then you have 6 and 7 bedroom mansions. The first thing that sold out at the launch itself was the standalone villas facing the water, because they were limited. You had maybe around 250 units roughly overall that sold out. And then you had the townhouses, obviously. So now I'll get into the details of islands in terms of the master plan.
Okay.
And the amenities that we have. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now these are your first 3.5 phases that were launched and sold in phase 1.
Okay.
Which was Maldives, Bora Bora, Fiji, and half of Bali. Gone, sold out, nothing available. Okay. Now what we're going to release in the new phase of islands, Seychelles, second part of Bali, and Hawaii. So if you look at the size of each cluster overall, maybe Seychelles will have approximately 800 to 1,000 units. Your Bali should have around 700, 800 units, the second part of Bali. And Fiji should have around 800, 900 units. So overall, you're talking about maybe a total number of maybe 3,000 units. So if you've already collected 1,000 units, if your client waits till the end to pay the token, there are very less chances for a client to get a unit in that case. So the client needs to be smart and pay the token as soon as possible. Okay, so the sooner you pay, the higher the chances of you getting a good unit in islands. So that we can also fight with the management for you. Okay, so yeah. So if you're thinking about now investing irrespective of the cluster, you will make money.
So how many entrances over there?
I will tell you. So right now, the MAC does, again, smart planning when it comes to gated communities, okay? Because we want to give every 2 clusters an entry-exit point. Okay, so if you notice, there is a road in between Seychelles and Maldives, which will be your entry-exit point. Then between Maldives and Bora Bora will be another entry-exit point. Then between Fiji and Hawaii will be another entry-exit point. And then here you see, this is from Bali, because Bali as it is very big. It's divided in 2 parts. So Bali here also will have its own separate entry-exit. Why? Because you have the buildings coming up.
Okay.
In the future,
so in total, there will be 5 entry points.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 entry exit points.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, another thing that I was explaining to you earlier when we were at the master plan of Riverside, right?
Yeah.
Damak does amenities in 2 segments. One segment is your daily amenities, okay, which are your schools, maybe petrol stations, supermarkets, salons, ladies, gents, daycare centers, swimming pool, gym, all of that. So those are your retail amenities that by default, even though they're on the master plan, we're not highlighting. Okay, so if you see, every 2 clusters will have access to the daily retail amenities.
Okay.
Okay. Here also we're doing a community center plus daily amenities. Here also we're doing daily amenities over here. So between two clusters. So between two clusters meaning Maldives and Bora Bora will have access to
Okay.
the main daily amenities. Same concept with Fiji and Hawaii, and same concept with Seychelles and Maldives.
And what about Bali?
Bali will have its own retail over here as well,
Okay.
by default, because this concept is buildings, right? So the idea is below the buildings will have a full retail promenade,
Okay.
like restaurants, cafes, all of that. So now the amenities that are highlighted here, you'll see we've highlighted a total of, if I'm not wrong, 22 amenities. Okay. Now the biggest highlight in terms of amenity development for DAMAC in islands is number 3. Which is your Aquadome.
Aquadome.
Now, your Aquadome is an underwater restaurant similar to Atlantis
Okay.
that we're building inside a community. Now, this is the first ever time that any developer is doing that inside a community.
Okay.
Another thing that we're also advertising, and again, this will be a huge bonus for investors in DAMAC Islands, is your wedding venue. Why? Because Dubai is being advertised as an international wedding destination. Probably almost maybe 70% of the world is coming to Dubai to kind of have a wedding or a party or a celebration or whatever. So DAMAC itself is advertising DAMAC Islands as an international wedding destination. So if you are an investor and you're looking to rent your property out, whether it's long term or whether it's short term, you have that edge over other communities, because people that are having a celebration and people that are organizing the celebration will need a place to live or rent when you're there, right?
Yeah.
So that's what you're looking at in terms of rental scope and appreciation here. Okay, so currently, if you're thinking about amenities that are main highlights, first to your Aquadome, second will be your wedding venue, which is again a very premium amenity that we're doing. Another thing that we're also kind of doing, which will also be a very premium amenity, will be number 9. This is your mini golf island. So I don't know if you've seen the ad of Amitabh Bachchan on this. So that's the one. So like either way, to maintain a golf course is pretty expensive in a desert like Dubai, right? But to do that on a water is a different angle. So we're building a 4-hole golf course, mini golf island inside islands.
Okay.
So everybody has access no matter where you are. All the residents, will have access to it. Now, another thing we're doing, which is again a
private
yes. So here, what we're going to do is your smaller yachts, like people that want to cruise around the community. You have friends coming over, family coming over. You want to entertain somebody. You take them around the community.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have the private yachts at your disposal. Now, another thing that we're also kind of highlighting here when it comes to amenities, okay, is your hot spring spa. Why I'm talking about that is because they want the view to be unobstructed. So here you will have your hanging pools, glass bottom in the lagoon.
Okay.
So it's a tiered view that they're kind of trying to create. जितना हो सके maximum scope of a view. That's the plan. So इसलिए सबसे पहले जो हमारे बिके वो आपके standalone villas थे सारे on the water. Because we sold at a starting price of 13.5. आज की मार्केट में आप दूसरे डेवलपर उठा के देखो, nothing less than 17 million dirham. So people who invested in the villa are already at a premium. Like in terms of a profit.
Okay.
So this is Islands ka master plan. I'll just show you the layouts and all of that. So like Lagoons was, inspired by European destinations, Mediterranean cities. Islands is inspired by tropical tourist hotspots. So places like Bali or Maldives, Bora Bora, Hawaii, Seychelles, Fiji. These were our inspirations to develop this community. So relaxed lifestyle. Now this I'm sure you've seen on Dubai Mall, right? So a similar concept of the central hub fountain that will come inside islands again. This is the wedding venue that I was talking about, a full clear view. So you see the concept was you have the deck on the water, you have the greenery at the edge of the water, you have the hot spring spa hanging on the water, and then you have the waterfall lagoon cascading down.
Okay.
So full edge view. So that was the kind of concept behind developing this. So this would be the most premium space inside islands.
Okay.
Then this is the amenity that I'm the most excited about. Once it's ready, this will kind of increase the value of the properties around, right? Because you're going to have a premium dine-in experience within the community. Then again, I mean, we're known for this. We do organic farmers markets across the community. We have a jungle river flowing through Bali and Seychelles all the way. It'll be the longest 4-kilometer long water body that we're kind of creating inside islands. This was inspired by Ubud in Indonesia, the jungle swing. So you hang on a cliff and then you have the swing. And these are your water platforms. Again, sunken pools you see here.
Okay.
On the water with a deck. This is your lagoon to a hammock. So you'll have across the jungle river in Bali and Seychelles, you will have different spaces where you will have the hammock set up in case somebody wants to just relax. You have the waterfall lagoons as well that are cascading and that are at a direct view of the wedding venue from that angle. This is your hot spring spa that we were talking about earlier, the hanging pools. And this is the aqua park. Again, families, kids can enjoy. Anybody into adrenaline, this is another set of amenities. So if you notice, we're not highlighting our daily amenities, even in the brochure.
Yeah, exactly.
We're only
because
talking
these
about
amenities are more, far better than those amenities.
Yeah. And these are your private yachts. These were the standalone villas. So now these were your 7-bedroom mansions with a built-up of around 17,000 that we sold for 18.6 million. 6-bedroom standalone villas, built up of around 10,000 square feet.
Okay.
And then you have 6-bedroom standalone villas, जो around 4,440 square feet थे. We sold these for 6.35. And these were your townhouses. So आपके 5-bedroom townhouses, which are your corner units by default, and your 4-bedroom, which are your middle units. And then again, you have a 5-bedroom corner unit.
Okay.
And then
so they are ground plus 2.
5 bedrooms are ground plus 2.
Okay.
4 bedrooms are ground plus 1 and middle units. 5 bedrooms are corner units with a maid room.
Okay.
So this is your
so it's floor
5 bed.
5-bed plan.
हाँ. Corner unit है तो L-shaped garden आएगा. Ground floor पे आपके पास नीचे एक bedroom है. Attached washroom है. Separate powder room है, which is for your guests. Then you have a laundry and storage under the stairs. Semi-closed kitchen. Living and dining. Patio, garden.
Okay.
Then on the first floor, 3 rooms. Master bedroom, private balcony, attached washroom. The other 2 rooms share a washroom and an L-shaped terrace.
Okay.
On the second floor, you have an extra 5th bedroom, attached washroom, terrace, maid's room, maid's bathroom. So this is a 5-bed plus maid. We're looking at an expected price starting from 3.4 going up to 3.6 million for a 5-bed. And your middle unit will be at a price point of 2.4 to 2.6 million.
Okay.
So middle unit, you have again a bedroom down, Jack and Jill washroom, laundry and storage, semi-open kitchen, living and dining, patio, garden. And on the first floor, you have 1, 2, 3 rooms.
Okay.
Master, attached washroom, private balcony, 2 rooms share a terrace and a washroom.
So there won't be any maid room?
No, 4-bedroom does not have a bedroom.
Okay.
Only the 5-bed, the townhouses. So this is islands.
Perfect. Super perfect. I'm loving it.